God damn! Fucking bastard!
There are people out here on 39 that's going to get killed or kill somebody. Call.
Okay, I want to do this. Hello?
Hi, this is Lauren, case manager from Aetna. Is this Renee?
Yeah.
Hi, is now a good time?
Not really. We're driving home.
And almost got into an accident because a motorcycle guy got a motorcycle went between me and another vehicle.
Can you call tomorrow afternoon?
Yeah, I'll call tomorrow afternoon. You guys be safe.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Call State Patrol!
Get your contact.
That's on the list there. New Philadelphia State Patrol.
Does he stay?
As Ohio State Patrol is under O.
Okay.
Draw him up.
Hi, this is Robert McKim of the Radio Patrol Organization. Well, I'm on 39 heading towards Sherroldsville and passing the where the fire department is right now.
You said you entered Sherroldsville?
Yes, and they
Going towards Carrollton?
yes.
Okay, what's going on?
Okay, well, when I was